So now that I've been riding a little bit faster on my bike, I thought it was probably time to get a bell just because I've been running into a lot of hikers now. And while for the most part it's been pretty good with me just saying, hey, good morning, hello, I thought that maybe having a bell, even for wildlife, might be a good idea. I did this one pretty easy. I was too cheap to buy one. I pretty much just took one of the holiday bells from our Christmas tree, and I just tied it to the bar. You always want to make sure that inside that you have a metal ball. The ball on this was actually a plastic one. I just opened it up and I shoved in. It's like I think it's an old ball bearing or something. Just something, a metal ball, metal something that'll rattle. With this, I just have I glued a magnet to a clip, and the magnet usually will just stick to. You'll have something steel. I did like the bolt on this will hold it in place. But if I'm bouncing up and down, they'll be rattling. But if I just want to shut up on a climb, I just attach the magnet, and it's good. And it seems like it's worked so far. I'll test it on the trail a little bit later. But pretty simple, and it was next to free for me. So yeah.